Shut up!
Greetings YouTube community, Wheatlover555 here. Today I'm going to test my new Firefox 9 beta against the old Firefox 7 version. And to run this test I've just opened my Firefox 9 beta, as you already know from Firefox 8. This is now Firefox 9 beta, and I'm going to use Peacekeeper as my browser test. So I'm just going to start the browser test, which says here test your browser, and I just left click it, and then the browser test is currently running. So I just need to wait now 5 minutes until the results are finished. So let's see and wait what is happening. And while this test is running, I'm going to load my Firefox 7 version. And I'm going to type in the same thing. As you can see, I will just use a Google search and just type in browser benchmark. And the first link I get in my Google search, I'm going to use. So as it says, I'm going to use. I just now have to wait because my other test is already running. Cannot run two tests at the same time. So this is currently running, yeah. Okay. The test is currently running. As you can see, there are this is just a usual benchmark test. Like it all says, the WebGL in HTML allows full-blown 3D graphics within the browser without any add-ons. The test renders a simple transparent 3D sphere, inside which are four bump-bent spheres. The balls bounce within the cube. Now testing your browser ability to display a post image on the HTML5 video player. Currently remaining time is 4 minutes. Code not supported by this browser. Now testing your browser to play the videos with some strange codec, which doesn't appear to be working with Firefox. Now testing your browser ability to play the HTML5 videos encoded with the Theora codec. And now testing the same with the WebM codec. Pretty nifty. Web workers allow the browsers to work on multiple tasks simultaneously. This test performs an intensive contrast manipulation to two images at the same time. Now we do the same again for 4 images at the same time. Systems that have multiplied CPU cores will shine here. Now testing your browser's ability to render and modify the HTML elements used in typical web pages. In a fast browser, you will see a smooth animation of colored squares. Colored squares? Strange. I only see bubbles and planes which are flying. Frame blah blah blah. Currently running 22 frames per second, average 70. There are 23 animated sprites on the stage. Yeah, frame rate is pretty going down at the end of the test. Oh yeah, well, 500 frames. Strange. Bum bum bum. A plane. This guy must be pretty cool, which is firing down all these planes. The canvas test and evaluates your browser's ability to create dynamic scriptable rendering of 2D shapes and bitmap images. First test has a fairly small area inside which we simulate a water ripple effect. We have the same ripple effect but with a much larger area. As you can see, the picture is getting bigger, and the ripple effect area is pretty big already, and now it's going even bigger, I think. Oh no? Okay. Almost everything you see and blah blah blah. I couldn't read this so fast. It's just running the normal test, and the test is almost completed. We have only 1 minute left. So soon we will get our results. I hope this test will finish soon. So we just wait and hope to get the data pretty fast. Now running. What are you running? You're still running a test? Oh yeah, still running the test. These tests measure a browser's performance in typical text manipulations. This test does browser detection, which is very common on web pages. String, yeah. Google versus Firefox. Google Chrome on the left and Firefox on the right side. And a guy with a sister is trying to cut the line. Less than a minute. Oh, really? Oh, my Firefox 8. They call it Firefox 8. Strange. Which ranked 841 points. Let's see if I really have Firefox 8, which I cannot believe somehow. Oh, I still have 8. Alright. I have to download the Firefox 9 version. Well, okay, never mind. It was just a cool test, so we can run the same test now with Firefox 9 beta after the break, as you might call it. Okay, I got the results from my Firefox 9 now. As you can see, this was my last test with 841 points, and now the Firefox 9 beta version scored 1029 points. Pretty nifty. So let's see what our Firefox 7 gets. Results. Test timed out. Try running benchmark again. Okay, it looks like it didn't work. So this is pretty cool and pretty easy. You can also test your own browser if you're not using Firefox. Just go to just type in Google and type in Peacekeeper or Browsertest or Browser Benchmark, and just click on the first link which says something with Peacekeeper, and then just left click on Go, and then you are going to test your browser. I hope you liked this small video, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, goodbye, your Wheat Lover 555.